Good morning, children. Welcome back. I am Mrs. Sitara, your social science teacher. In today's session, we are going to do the evaluation of Class 4, Unit 2 in Social Science, Physical Features of Tamil Nadu. Come, children, let us learn the answers. Good morning, children. Welcome back. I am Mrs. Sitara, your social science teacher. In today's session, we are going to do the evaluation of Class 4, Unit 2 in Social Science, Physical Features of Tamil Nadu. Come, children, let us learn the answers. Roman number 1. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Which wildlife sanctuary is located in Tamil Nadu? Which wildlife sanctuary is located in Tamil Nadu? Options are Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Corbett National Park, Sundarbans National Park, Ranatambore National Park. And the answer is, children, that is right, Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary. Question number 2. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at dash. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at dash. Options are Aravalli Range, Nilgiri Hills, Himalayan Range, Vindhyas Range. The answer is Nilgiri Hills. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at the Nilgiri Hills. Question number 3. The topmost branches of trees form a chain called dash. The topmost branches of trees form a chain called dash. Options are sunlight, canopy, forest, mangrove. The answer is canopy. Question number 4. Tamil Nadu experiences dash. Tamil Nadu experiences dash. Options are extreme winters, highest rainfall, tropical climate, snowfall. The answer is tropical climate. Question number 5. Dash are found in the places where there is heavy rainfall. Dash are found in the places where there is heavy rainfall. The options are deciduous forest, swamp forest, evergreen forest, none of them. The answer is none of them. Roman number 2. Match the following. Question number 1. Mountain ranges in Tamil Nadu. Pamban Bridge, Surli Waterfall, Western and Eastern Ghats, India's first sea bridge, Theni, Pichavaram, third longest in India, Tamil Nadu's coastline, mangrove forest. The answers are mountain ranges in Tamil Nadu, Western and Eastern Ghats, Surli Waterfall, Theni, India's first sea bridge, Pamban Bridge, Pichavaram, mangrove forest, Tamil Nadu's coastline, third longest in India. Now let us move on to Roman number 3, true or false. Question number 1. Tamil Nadu is the 11th largest state in India. Tamil Nadu is the 11th largest state in India. Answer is true. Question number 2. Tamil Nadu is located in the west of India. Tamil Nadu is located in the west of India. Answer is false. Tamil Nadu is located in the south of India. Question number 3. Kurinji flower blossom once in 2 years. Kurinji flowers blossom once in 2 years. Answer is false. What's the right answer, children? Yes, that is 12 years. Correct. Kurinji flowers blossom once in 12 years. Question number 4. Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather throughout the year. Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather throughout the year. Answer is true. Question number 5. Deciduous forest do not shed leaves. Deciduous forest do not shed leaf. Answer is false. Deciduous forest shed their leaves. Moving to Roman number 4, answer in brief. Question number 1. Name the states that Tamil Nadu shares boundary with. Name the states that Tamil Nadu shares boundary with. The answer is Andhra Pradesh on the north, Karnataka on the northwest, Kerala on the west. Andhra Pradesh on the north, Karnataka on the northwest, Kerala on the west. Question number 2. What are the different landscapes of Tamil Nadu? What are the different landscapes of Tamil Nadu? The answer is, the landscapes of Tamil Nadu can be divided into 4. Mountains, plateaus, plains, coasts. Mountains, plateaus, plains, coast. Question number 3. What are the different plains in Tamil Nadu? What are the different plains in Tamil Nadu? Answer is, plains in Tamil Nadu can be divided into river plains, coastal plains. Plains in Tamil Nadu can be divided into river plains, coastal plains. Question number 4. Name the waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. Name the waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. The answer is Hoggenikal waterfalls, Dharmapuri on the river Kaveri, Kutralam waterfalls in Tenkasi on the river Chittar, Surali waterfalls in Theni, Vattaparai waterfalls in Kanyakumari. Hoggenikal waterfalls in Dharmapuri on the river Kaveri, Kutralam waterfalls in Tenkasi on the river Chittar, Surali waterfalls in Theni, Vattaparai waterfalls in Kanyakumari. Question number 5. Describe the climate of Tamil Nadu. Describe the climate of Tamil Nadu. Answer. Tamil Nadu experiences tropical climate and there is little difference between summer and winter. The temperature during summer can rise up to 40 degrees Celsius. Due to its location, Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather almost throughout the year with mild winter. Tamil Nadu is dependent on monsoon rains and often faces droughts if monsoon fails. Question number 6. Differentiate between evergreen forest and deciduous forest. Differentiate between evergreen forest and deciduous forest. Evergreen forest. These forests are known as tropical forest. The trees in this forest do not shed their leaves. These forests are found in areas receiving more than 200 centimeters of annual rainfall. Now we will see about deciduous forest. These forests are also known as monsoon forest. The trees in this forest shed their leaves. These forests are found in areas receiving more than 70 to 200 centimeters of rainfall. Children, now we will go to the in-text exercises that is given in page number 107. Activity. On the political map of India, shade any two neighboring states of Tamil Nadu. On a political map, mark any neighboring states of Tamil Nadu. Children, I have given you the map and the neighboring states are marked here. I have also given you the political map with all the states marked. Next activity, mark the Indian Ocean and the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal on the map. You have to mark Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Page number 108. Try to answer. Question number 1. Where do the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats meet? Where do the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet? Answer is Nilgiri Hills. Question number 2. Name any two wildlife sanctuaries in the Western Ghats of Tamil Nadu. Name any two wildlife sanctuaries in the Western Ghats of Tamil Nadu. The answer is Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park in Aanaimalai. Page number 111. Try to answer. Name some important rivers in Tamil Nadu. Name some important rivers in Tamil Nadu. Kaveri, Palad, Vaigai, Cheyyar, Thamrai Bharani. Kaveri, Palar, Vaigai, Cheyyar and Thamrai Bharani. Question number 2. Where is Kutralam Waterfalls located? Where is Kutralam Waterfalls located? Answer is Tenkasi. Try to answer question number 1. During which months does the state receive rainfall from southwest monsoon? During which months does the state receive rainfall from southwest monsoon? Answer is June to September. June to September. Question number 2. Describe the weather of Tamil Nadu in a sentence. Describe the weather of Tamil Nadu in a sentence. Answer is Tamil Nadu receives tropical climate and there is very little difference between summer and winter. Tamil Nadu experiences tropical climate and there is very little difference between summer and winter. That's all for today's session, my dear children. Thank you for watching. For more videos and solutions, please subscribe to youtube.com/Samachir Kalvi Guide. Thank you. Stay blessed.